Konnichiwa minasan. Today we'll introduce this 3D printed air rifle. First, I will show you how it works. Just like this, reload the magazine. Put the BBs here and release the pusher. The pusher will push it front here and the BBs drops down to the barrel and move backwards and fire. Forward, backwards, fire. Fire. After you fire, you need to reset the trigger manually. MGT. You can use this and this small one. But you need push the button every time. It's about 1.9 megapascal. And also you can use CO2 cartridge like this, but it's not. I do not recommend it. I do not recommend this. It's about 6 megapascal. It puts too much pressure on the valve. It may cause some damage. And you can use this instead of this. You put it here and converter here. This will reduce the pressure to 1 megapascal. And you can use this 10 megapascal. Use this, the car.
That's all for the power source, and then I'm going to show you how to change the barrel. It's very easy. And you got a short barrel for cycle B. And you get a long barrel for the outdoor battle. Oh, this screw, it's better to install. It limits the position. And now I'm going to take it apart. Just remove this three. And you can. Oh no. This three, yeah. Oh, this one I forgot. This one. This four, and you can put it for maintenance. And this, this spring helps the trigger to reset. The 4R210 08. Okay, I'm going to put it back. I think these two screws are not so necessary. I'm considering to remove these two screws in the next edition. Okay. Okay, it's done.